Me and mine. I find me everywhere in the universe, and the universe finds me in it. So me and the universe are one and the same. Pay attention to every little thing you encounter: a leaf, a plant, a river, an ant, a feeling. If I were willing, I could be everything. Seeking is not about looking for something. It is about enhancing your perception, your very faculty of seeing. Life and creation is the highest form of intelligence. Joy, freedom, limitlessness is going to be my experience. Well-being is just a deep sense of pleasantness within. Very simply, well-being is just a deep sense of pleasantness within. If your body feels pleasant, we call this health. If it becomes very pleasant, we call this pleasure. If your mind becomes pleasant, we call this peace. If it becomes very pleasant, we call this joy. If your emotions become pleasant, we call this love. If they become very pleasant, we call this compassion. If your life energies become pleasant, we call this bliss. If they become very pleasant, we call this ecstasy. This is all that you are seeking: pleasantness within and without. You see the world within you. Human life is longing for unlimited expansion. If you go outward, it is an endless journey. If you turn inward, it is just one moment. In that one moment, everything changes. In that one moment, you are not in pursuit of joy anymore. Instead, your life becomes an expression of your joyfulness. Make yourself in such a way that the creation and the creator and every atom in this existence cannot help yielding to you. Every moment there are a million miracles happening around you. A flower blossoming, a bird tweeting, a bee humming, a raindrop falling, a snowflake wafting along the clear evening air. There is magic everywhere. If you learn how to live it, life is nothing short of a daily miracle. Do the right things will happen to you. The quality of our lives is determined by our ability to respond to the varied, complex situations that we encounter. Responsibility simply means your ability to respond. All it requires is for you to realize that you are responsible for all that you are and all that you are not. All that may happen to you and all that may not happen to you. Taking responsibility simply means consciously responding to the situation. Once you take responsibility, you will invariably start exploring ways to address the situation. Look for solutions. Only if you realize you are responsible do you have the freedom to create yourself the way you want to be. Reactivity is enslavement. Responsibility is freedom. Once you take charge of your inner life, there is no such thing as stress. In rage, you become one with the group. Out of rage, you become one with the universe.